Hi guys, you're welcome again to this wonderful video. In this particular video, I'll be showing you how to design a hotel website. Alright, as you can see, this is a perfect example of a hotel website where you can book your appointment date. You can see that check-in, date of checking in and check out, number of adults, number of children. Right, you can see all of that. Then look at the display. This is the home page. Right, if you scroll down a bit, you see the various rooms. Alright, you can see deluxe, standard, double. There are so many other ones too. You can still scroll. Alright, you can see this now. This is classic. Right, if you scroll a bit, you see other ones, triple, classic room. Alright, you can see the facilities. And if you check in this particular room, you will see the facilities. Alright, look at the facilities in each of the accommodation. Alright, and in the course of this training too, I'll also show you how you can add your payment gateway when you are booking your. You can see now you can select the date. Right, some of the dates are already filled up. Okay, so you can select the dates and check for the availability of it, and if it is available, you can go ahead and make payment. Right, you can see the various amenities for private pool, air condition, whatever thing you see there, smart TV, free Wi-Fi, laundry, and under protection. So you can see all of that. And if you also go down and when you're making your payment, you can make payment via bank transfer. You can make payment with online, you can make payment online, you can do bank transfer and the rest of them. And once you are done with that, there will be an email notification to notify you of your bookings. Okay, all of this is what I'm going to be showing you in this particular website. Right, they also have other services. You can see the about us and the gallery services they provided. They provide in this hotel. All right, you can see blog. If you want to be creating content about blogging, you will see that, and you can as well contact them. All of these things is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Okay, so but before we do that, if you are coming across our channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe. All right, subscribe, smash the notification bell so you always be notified whenever videos like this are posted. All right, having said that, let's go to this particular training. First, you will need a cPanel. All right, to have this particular project done, you need to purchase your domain name and hosting from a reliable web hosting company. And also, if you're having any challenge in getting a reliable web hosting for your project, you can reach out to us via the number showing below this video. All right, in the description of this video, you see a number there. You can reach out to us and we'll assist you in getting a perfect domain for your project. Okay, now let's go ahead and begin this training. All right, so here is the cPanel. So I'll just go down to where I have domains. Let me create a subdomain for this particular video. But for you, once you purchase your domain name and hosting, you can go ahead. All right, you can go ahead and follow the same process I will be showing you in this particular training. So I'll click on domains. Okay, good. You can see it's loading. So once, then I'll just come down here and give it a name. Select, create a new domain. Just call it hotel. All right, so I've given it a name, hotel. So I'll just go down and click on submit. Okay, so once it's done, go ahead and install WordPress. Okay, so you can see it's still loading. Just go ahead and install WordPress. Other time, if you are installing it, depending on the server you are using, once you are done with this installation, once you are done creating a subdomain or your new domain, make sure you change the PHP version to 7.4. All right, change to 7.4 for that particular domain. Okay, just come over to this part and type in PHP. All right, type in PHP. Okay, then you can go ahead. This one is showing select PHP version. Other ones will be showing multi PHP manager. All right, either of the two. So change it to 7.4 because most of the WordPress template and plugins and files they work with 7.4. So you do that. Okay, now that we have created the subdomain, so let's go back to our WordPress and install our cPanel and install WordPress. So just can see it here. So let's look at the WordPress here. Click on it. All right, perfect. So just come down to install now. So I will select the subdomain I created, which is hotel. This is it. Then I will come over to this part, put in my information. All right, good. So just all right, good. So I've done that. Then I'll come down here. All right, then click on install. You can see that's perfect. So just wait for it to install. Once it's done, go ahead and upload our templates and customize. All right, the installation is complete. So just click on this. All right, so do that. Perfect. So reason why it's showing this is because it's a new installation. So I'll just click on advanced, then click on proceed. Okay, so click on advanced, click on proceed. All right, so I'll just click on exit launch. So click on this, so it should take me back to the WordPress dashboard. Good. So first I will install a plugin called Classic Editor. So come to plugin, click on add new. All right, so just do that. Then this is a particular plugin. Click on it, click on install, then activate the plugin. Okay, good. So now go over to appearance and select theme. So we want to upload the template. Okay, go to appearance, come to theme, click on add new. Perfect. Then click on upload theme. Right, because the template we are going to be using is a premium template. Right, don't worry, at the end of this video I'll also show you how you can get access to this particular template. All right, so I'll click on choose file. All right, so I'll click on install now. All right, so you can see it has been installed, so I'll activate. Okay, good. Then next, click on begin installing plugins. This is it. All right, this particular one, click on begin installing plugins. Okay. All right, good. So I'll select all the plugins. Let me just remove this. So I'll select all the plugins. Okay, so then click on bulk action, click on install, click on apply. All right, you can see all the plugins are installing. All right, so the plugins have been installed. So click on return to plugin installer. Okay, click on it. Then we are activating this time around. So I'll select all again, then click on activate, then click on apply. All right, so you can see that. Good. Then return to dashboard. Okay, so once you do that, there are other set of plugins we need to install again. So I'll just minimize this. So okay. All right, so you can see that then we need to install another set of plugins. You can see them, the hotel booking, WooCommerce payment, and hotel booking. So click on begin installing again. You can see that. Okay. So once we click on begin installing again, so there are other plugins we need to quickly install. All right, so I will select the plugins. You can see that, select the plugins, then click on bulk action again, install and apply. Okay, so that we can install these three plugins. Good. You can see they are installing. The second one, hotel booking, then the third one, hotel booking, WooCommerce payment. So click on return to plugin installer, then select the plugins again. Then this time around we're activating, so I'll click on apply. Okay, so we need to apply this. So once we are done with this, good, return to dashboard. All right, perfect. Then come down to where you have the Kingsley panel, this particular file you are seeing here from the dashboard. Okay, then once you come here, come to demo content. All right, come to demo content. Okay, good. So you click on select or install demo, install slash select demo, click on it. All right, so once you click on it, you will see other files. You can see different template to choose from. Right, you can see this. You can also preview. Now let's say you want to preview this, you can open it in a new tab to see what you have there. If you like that, you can go ahead with it. Okay, you can see this one now. Okay, you can see the interface. Look at the display. All right, don't worry, I will show you how you can change all of this. Okay, so if you like this apartment, this is right. Let's view it. Okay, you can view it. All right, you can see. Okay, so this is one of the templates. If you come back here too, you can also see other templates. All right, you can see this one is for bed and breakfast hotel, apartment hotel, mountain hotel. Or you can see luxury hotel. You can see other ones too, depending on what you want. Okay, so I'm just showing you this different demo. You can see that. Right, you can see different ones. You can say choose a room. Okay, you can see that. Okay, you have the different listing there. Right, now that I've showed you the different demo. Okay, different demo. So if I come back to my site now, so let's say I'm going with this. All right, this was the one I showed you earlier. All right, so let's say I'm going with this. I can select anyone and work with it. So let's say I'm going with this now. I can come back here. I'll just click on import if I'm going with this. All right, but since this is the particular one I showed you, so I'll just click on import. All right, I'll click on import. Okay, click on import, then go down a bit, then click on continue and import. You can see it here, click on it. So you see that the files is importing, so you have to wait for it to import. While you are waiting, you can see what it says. Please sit tight while we import your content. Don't refresh the page or hit the back button. So you just wait for it to import. All right, as you can see, the import is complete. So what we'll now do is visit the site. You can click on visit the site, open it in a new tab. All right, so just close this. Close this. Okay, you can see the site is loading here. I can see that everything is working perfectly. Alright, so what we now need to do is to customize this particular website. Also, if you check their demo content, don't worry, I will show you can edit all of this demo content you are seeing. Okay, first let's quickly work on the menu. Alright, let's quickly work on the menu. Once you are done, we work on the header and the footer. So to do that, go back to your dashboard, come to appearance. Alright, come to appearance, then come to menu. Okay, you can see that appearance menu. Alright, perfect. So you can see this is footer menu. Okay, if you check it here, you see some menu, see some item. Alright, you can see this is the footer menu. You can see it here, menu, about us, room, blog. That's the footer menu. Okay, you can see it here. Then if you click on this, you will see footer 2. Alright, let's select this. So the footer 2 is what you are seeing here, the FAQ, gallery, menu, and restaurant. So you can see that FAQ, gallery, menu, restaurant is part of it. So if you want to also leave it, no problem. Then if you come to the last one, which is the main menu, if you come here and click on select, all right, you will see the item there too. Okay, you can see that. You can see this one too. All right. So what we're going to do now is, without wasting more time on that, I want to edit this menu to make it look so simple and easy to work with. So I'll just come down here and click on box select. I want to remove some item I don't want here. All right, so I'll just come over to, this is blog. I can remove this, shop. I don't want shop. All right, this restaurant. You can remove this one too. Just remove all of this. Then this one is room. All right, you can see different room. I can room list 1, room list 2. Okay, I can just remove all of this. All right, then I will leave this room details 1. So I will just remove all of this other one too. All I'm doing is a matter of choice, so you can as well do the same thing. All right, you can see gallery. Gallery talks about the different pictures they have services too. I can leave all of those things. Then I can as well leave the about us. Then I'll remove this. Then the home, you have the home there. I'll just remove all of these ones. Okay, then I scroll down and click on remove selected item. Can you see that now? The menu is now simplified. Right, the menu is now simplified. So I can come down here now. Okay, instead of having it long like this, I can make it so simple. Then I'll come down to customize, or sorry, custom link. Then I'll just make this place here. All right, then I'll just put hash here, then come over to this part and put an item called. All right, so I'll come here and put what we offer. All right, I'll say what we offer. All right, what we offer, I'll just put it there. Then I'll add to menu. Okay, good. So you can see that now. So once I do that, I will now bring all the other items. The gallery will come under it. All right, services will come under it. Room will come under it. All right, I can also put the blog under it too. All right, then this blog is showing blog single. I will come down here and edit the name. All right, I can say blog. All right, I can say blog. Then this one that is showing room or room details #1. I will just come down to this icon, and I'll just make it rooms. Okay, can you see that now? So once I'm done, I'll go down a bit and click on save menu. All right, click on save menu. So with this now, I've created a simple menu to work with. Now let's refresh our website. If I come here and I refresh this, so you see what we have there. All right, you see what we have there. Okay, so this is how to create and simplify your menu. All right, so let's hold on a bit. You can see it's loading. Good. Can you see the menu now? Can you see all the things I created? About us, home, this. So once we are done with the menu, now let's work on the header. The header comprises of this logo, this part, and all of these things we are seeing. To do that, also come back to your dashboard, then come to header and footer. All right, come to header and footer. You can see header and footer here. Right, click on it. All right, so once you click on it, all right, as you click on, okay, no, not this one. So just scroll down, you see the header and footer here. This is it. Header and footer, this one, this particular one here. So click on this, all templates. All right, so once you click on that particular one, you can see this is header, this is footer, and this is what? Header. So what we'll do is right click on it and view. All right click on it and view. Right, open it in a new tab. Under right click on it, view, open it in a new tab. So you can see what we are talking about. So once you come here now, you can see this is the header. All right, so once you come over to this part, click on edit with Elementor so that you can edit this header. Remember, what you are only editing is just the header. This is the full website. We are only editing the header. This is the header here. All right, so for you to edit that, just come here, open it in a new tab and click on edit with Elementor. All right, so I'll click on that. Then same thing, if you come down to the footer, you can also see the footer item here. Also click on edit with Elementor. So once you edit the footer and the header here, you don't need to edit it again in other pages. All right, it will appear in all other pages there. So that's the reason why you are editing it here. So once you wait for it to load. All right, so we need to remove this. You can see that. So I'll click on skip. All right, good. So I'll click on got it. All right, so now you can see that. So for us to edit this part now, you can see this is the logo. If I click on it now, all right, if I have a logo, I can upload the logo. All right, if I have a logo on my system, I can upload the logo from my system. All right, so I'll select a picture from a logo from my system now. I'll come to select. All right, then I'll go to my pictures. Okay, then I'll come to save this so I can use this logo now. Then click on this. So this is how to upload the logo. Can you see that now? Then I'll click on select. So can you see the logo is already showing? Then you have this one. Then this part is the book now. If I click on this, okay, so I need to insert a link. You can see book now. So if I want to insert a link, I can come to my website. All right, if I come to my website, I can come over to where I have rooms. You can see rooms here. Copy the link of the rooms. Then I will come back to this part. All right, then I will drop the link here. Okay, I'll drop the link here. So when they click on book now, it takes them to where I have the various rooms. Then this one is showing the shopping cart. I don't want it. I can just remove it, so it will no longer be showing. This is how easy for you to edit the header. All right, with this now I'm done editing the header. But then if you want to add a background to this, you can as well add a background. All right, then this one is showing. I can click on this now. All right, then come to style. All right, if I click on style, you can see background type. I can click on it, then add a background color. If I want to add a background color, can you see that? I can add a background color to be black. All right, so once I do that now, then if I want this color, you can see this now. Click on it. All right, if I click on that, then I need to change the color to white. All right, come to style. All right, menu item color. All right, you can see the menu item color. If I click on that, I can select white. Can you see that? All right, so you can see that now. So this is how easy for you to edit. So once I'm done, this other one too, I can as well change the background color. All right, so once I publish, all right, once I publish this now and I come back to the website, this is it, and I refresh this. Okay, the moment I refresh it, automatically it takes a new header because I've changed the logo and the header background. So it's still loading. Just wait a little. Okay, the same thing I did in this header. If I come back to the footer, this is the footer too. All right, so I'll just close all of this. Okay, already I've showed you how this link and this particular link works. So now if I want to edit this content, I can generate my content with the help of ChatGPT. Right, ChatGPT can give me the content I need. Then if you come down here, you can see this copyright. All right, if you click on it now, you can see that say as 2022 Kingsley, I can remove this, then I'll put the name of my hotel there. Then this other side too, I can also click on it, then I'll remove this. All right, I'll remove this. So I can come here and I say, all right, designed by, I can say Webbit. All right, Webbit. I just say Webbit. Then I can now copy the link of Webbit website and insert there. Click on it. Then there is the link. All right, then I'll paste the link of the Webbit website there, so that by the time they click on this, it takes them straight to Webbit website. Okay, so that is how easy it is. But if you don't also want it, you can just put the name like this. It should not have any link. Then this other side that needs content, if I click on it, I can go to ChatGPT and generate my content. All right, so if you want to use, come to your ChatGPT. All right, so here is ChatGPT. I can say ChatGPT generate, all right, about us content for Amigo. Sorry, I can say for Amigo Hotel. Right, let's say I'm using that word for Amigo, sorry, Amigo Hotel. Right, let's say that's the name, just say for Amigo Hotel. So once I click on that, you can see it's giving me the content. All right, good. So let me just, perfect. Can you see that now? Choosing Amigo, where friendship are made, memories are cherished, and every stay. All right, so I can copy this now. Okay, then I'll come back to my website, then I'll drop the content here. All right, can you see that now? Okay, this is how easy it is for you to get your content. Now you can see that the background is the color of the text. All right, so if I want to change the color now, I can come back to style, change the color and make it white. All right, you can make it white. Can you see that color has changed? All right, then this other one is what, logo. I can also change the logo. If I click on this, remember I've already uploaded the logo, so I can just select the one I uploaded. This is it. Then I'll click on this now. Can you see that? Then remember to save changes. Then here is the social media icon. All right, so if you have your social media, you can do that. All right, so you can edit all your social media icon. All right, so if you don't want it to show, you can disable it. Then you can, there is the content. All right, so you can edit the social media in such a way that you have your style. All right, so that is for the social media. Then you also have any part, this one that says meet Kingsley. So I can click on it now. I can say meet amigos. I can say amigos. Can you see that now? Meet amigos. Then you have your content. This other side too. If you want to change anything, you can as well click on it. If you click on it now, right? Let me click on it. Can you see that Instagram? So you can see the pictures. I guess you can see the picture there, about 6 pictures here. Also the same thing, you can see about 6 content here. So if I'm done editing here, once I save, or also you can also edit this one like I showed you before. Once I save, automatically it takes effect here. Now this was what I did before. You can see the logo. I changed the logo the other time, and here's the header, and here's the book now. Right, all the things I did before, they are taking effect. Okay, if we also refresh this now and I scroll down, you will see every other thing there too. All right, every other thing there. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'll quickly show you too how you can set up your rooms, how you can set up your payment and every other thing there. All right, so I'll go back to, all right, can scroll down. If you scroll down now, you see what you have done. All right, can you see it? Can you see the logo? Can you see the Meet Amigos? You can see this. You can see this. You can see everything is working perfectly. All right, so now let me quickly show you how you can set up your accommodation, your rooms and everything. Your room, if you want to set up your room, you can come to product and you see all products. All right, come to product, come to all products. Good, you can see all the rooms here. So if you want to add a room, you come here, you click on add new product, because here is where you set your prices. All right, now let me show you this. This one is a classic room. Now if I click on edit, right, you can see that classic room. So if you come down here, I want to change the price. You can see the, right, you can see the price here. Okay, this is SKU. Okay, so okay, this is SKU. So if you come to this, if you come to simple, All right, so you see the simple, so you can add your write-up here. All right, you can add your write-up, you can change the picture. Okay, you can add more pictures to that. So all of those things you can do that from this session. Okay, all right, so you have the various products here. So if you want to add a new product, then if you click on add new, all right, click on add new from this product section here, click on add new, then put the name there. You can say good, or I can say good room. Okay, then I'll put the description, then you can see where to put the price. I can say 12,000, then the package is room, then I can attach a picture here. All right, I can attach it. All right, so once you want to add a product, you can put the name of the product, put the description of the product. All right, then select the amount of the product. In this case, the product you're adding is the room. All right, you can select the room there, then attach a picture of the room. All right, just like what you are seeing here. Okay, if you check it now, this is a picture of a room. You can see that. So you also need to attach your own in this category too. Okay, attach it there, then put the price, then select room. That's how to add a new pitch, a new product. So once you are done with that, scroll down to where you have accommodation. Under accommodation, you have settings. All right, let's go to the settings first. Okay, so once you come to accommodation, you come to settings. So here, yeah, there are some settings you need to quickly put in place. Some of them are, the first one is the admin, right? Admin emails, because like I told you before, you will always be receiving email notifications. All right, you can see that here is the email demo. So in this particular session, you don't really have anything to do here. Just be sure that there's email. Customer will also receive emails. That is why you are seeing that. Right now, example of the email is your booking is placed. Then this is the email they will send. They will get in their inbox. All right. So and all the information they have there. All right. So if you move down a little, all right, you have the email settings. Right, all of these are under accommodation. It is very important for you to set it. Now, as the admin, you put your email here, right? As the admin, you put your email there, then you also put your email here too. All right, let's say for example we are working with Amigos Hotel. It will be support@amigoshotel.com or info@amigoshotel.com. Then here that is saying from name, you put Amigos Hotel. All right, can you see that now? So that is it. So that by the time they receive email, it will be from they are having email from Amigos Hotel. Then also you have the payment gateways. All right, have the payment gateways. The various payment gateway, you can see the WooCommerce setting. WooCommerce setting is from here. They have this payment settings here. Can you see that now? So they have the WooCommerce setting, pay on arrival, direct bank transfer, PayPal, and other payment information. So for us to set up this payment gateway, we come to WooCommerce and we come to settings. Right, come to WooCommerce, come to settings. Okay, then come to payment. Right, come to payment. Can you see that? So there's a direct bank transfer. You can enable that, then put your account details and the rest of them. Then also there's also the one that allows you to do what is called direct online payment. Let me just open that in a new tab so we can check everything together. All right, there's one that allow you for online payment. Okay, good. So payment gateway. All right, payment gateway, you have WooCommerce payment, you have pay on arrival, you have direct bank transfer and other ones. Now, like this one that says WooCommerce payment. Okay, here is the WooCommerce payment that we are trying to set up. All right, they have direct bank transfer, they have cash on delivery. All right, okay, cash on delivery. Now, if you want them to enable what is called online payment, you can use that via Paystack or Flutterwave. So you need to create an account on those two platforms I mentioned, the Paystack and the Flutterwave. So once you are able to do that, it will be connected to your website. And for you to do that, you need to install the plugin. The plugin is called Paystack WooCommerce. All right, if you come here now, all right, let me show you the plugins. If you come here, let me open it in a new tab. All right, it's called Paystack WooCommerce. Paystack WooCommerce. So come here, search for Paystack. You must have created an account with Paystack and verify your account. All right, it's called Paystack WooCommerce. So this is it, Paystack WooCommerce. All right, sorry, let me just finish it. All right, Paystack WooCommerce is here. Okay, good. This is the Paystack WooCommerce. So you need to install it. All right, let me install it. And once I install, I will also activate. Good. I've installed. So now let me activate it. Good, I will activate. Okay. All right, so it's still loading. Good. So let me go back to where I'm working just now. Here is the Paystack. So let me refresh. So once I refresh this now, it will appear here. Remember this one? Can you see it now? This is the Paystack. So I will also enable it and finish setup. Remember this is the one I was talking the other time. I will enable this and finish setup. I will also enable this and finish setup. So that is how it is to enable your payment gateways, so that when they are making bookings online, you can be receiving your payment or at the back end. Okay, good. Now, since we are done with the whole of the payment and the settings, there are other things you can as well check, but then make sure you go through the accommodation. There are also amenities. All right, what they stand to gain when they book the apartment or the accommodation. Is there free Wi-Fi, free lunch or free breakfast? Any of them, just add them there as the amenities. Now let me show you the various amenities so you can have an idea of what you're talking about. So if you come here, you can see air condition. All right, you can see free Wi-Fi, laundry, smart TV, under protection. So if you want to add other things, you can as well add them here. All right, you can as well add them here. Okay, that is, and if you want to remove from here, you can as well remove. Okay, so this is how it is to build your website. All you need to do is just be taking it step by step, step by step. There's also restaurants. If you want to have it there, you can add all your menus. Menu simply means what they're going to be eating. Okay, so now that you have shown you that, let me go to the pages. Now this is the website again. Let me show you. This is the website again. You can see the home page, the about us page, the gallery page, services page, the room. All right, I will show you that. Then the restaurant and the contact page. All of them are pages and we need to edit them. To edit all those things I've just mentioned, go to your dashboard, go to pages and click on add new all pages. Sorry, go to all pages. Go to all pages. Okay, so once you come to all pages, you will see all the pages we need to edit. All right, so the first one is the about us page. Open it in a new tab, view, open it in a new tab, then go to the home page, which is the front end. This is the home page. This is the one we are working with. The home page is the front page. And now I forgot to mention this particular template we are using. It has different pages. All right, it has different home pages. There are about 3 different home pages you can work with it here. There's home 1, there's home 2, there's home 3. All right, any of them you can use them for your project. All right, aside from selecting, now this is another home page. Let me show you. All right, now this is another home page. So this particular template we selected the other time has 3 in 1. All right, you can choose any of them to use for your project. Okay, all right, you can see this. All right, this is one. You can see this page now. You can see how this is. If you like this, you can use it. There's also another one again. This is the third one. All right, so if you like this, you can also use. Now let's say I like this second one or this third one. Let me look at this third one. All right, you can see that now this is the third one. All right, so there are 3 in 1. Let's say I like this one, I want to use it. I'll show you how you can make this your home page. All right, so to do that, come back to your dashboard, then come to settings. Okay, come to settings. Where are you? Settings, settings, settings. Here is it. So come to settings, come to settings and come to reading. All right, if you come to settings, come to reading. Now you can see the home page. The home page is 1. I will come here and make it what? Where is it? So okay, sorry. So here is it. I will make it home 3. Home 3 will automatically be my home page. All right, so I will come back here and click on save changes. So instead of this one I'm seeing here, instead of this, all right, instead of this, if I refresh this now, I will not be seeing home 3. All right, okay, I will not be seeing. Let me just click on this. Oh, sorry, let me remove this now. All right, so this is it. This becomes my home page. All right, can you see that now? Welcome to Kingsley Hotel. Now, let's edit all the pages I was showing you the other time. All right, for us to do that, I open the pages in a different tab. All right, these are the different pages. Let me close this. Let me close this. All right, let me also close this. Good. So now these are the pages. All right, so now let's refresh this again. Once I refresh, the home page is the page 3. So I will click on edit with Elementor in a new tab. Right now, repeat this same process I'm following is what you're going to use to edit all the pages showing in this website. So let me just close this. Now, the same thing I'm doing here. Right now, I'm working on this home page. Right, this is the home page. Once I'm done with this home page, I will come to About Us page. Once I'm done with About Us page, I will also come to this. I'll come to the gallery and services rooms. All right, we need to edit them one after the other, the restaurant and the contact us page. That is how to edit. Now we are starting with the home page. The home page is the index page. All right, is the front end. All right, the home page is the front end. This is what you are seeing here. The home page is the front end. So we are editing the home page. So you can see it's still loading. Just wait a little. While that one is loading, we can open another one, which is the About Us page. You can open it in a new tab. You can also open the blog. You can open the contact us. This is it. I open it in a new tab. But then bear it in mind that if we are editing, like I told you before, if you don't have content to use, like we have here now, there's no content to use on this website. So I'm going to be generating my content from ChatGPT. Okay, but let's just do this together. First, we have this part. Right click on it. Okay, the moment you click on it, it will appear on your left hand side. All right, good. You can see that it says welcome to Kingsley, which is what you are seeing here. I can say instead of this now, I can say welcome to Amigos. Right, I will say welcome to Amigos. All right, that was the name I chose the other time. I see that now, welcome to Amigos. Now look at what we have here. Then I'll come to my ChatGPT. All right, so you can say say we look forward to welcoming you home. I can just copy this now. Then I'll come to my side. I paste it here. All right, we look forward to welcoming you home. All right, you can see that we look forward to welcoming you home. Can you see that? Okay, so let me edit this. Let me edit this. All right, you can see that now. Welcome to Amigos. Okay, so all right, you can see I've changed that. We look forward to welcoming you home. Now you can see this other side too. There's no content here, so I'll also come back here. Also come to my ChatGPT. All right, you can see that at Amigos, our mission is to make every guest feel valued and cared for. So I can come here and copy this one too. As I copy it, now come back to this part. Then I'll click on it. So any area you click on will automatically appear on your left hand side. You can see this first one that says, you can see that. Then this is the picture you are seeing here. If you want to change it, you can as well change it. Then you can see this one that says Okay, I'll come here, I'll click on it, paste it. You can see that at Amigos, our mission is to make sure good. So here, here is a button. All right, here is a button, more about us. Okay, here is a button. If you scroll down a bit, you will still see that. You can see more about us. So what I will do in this regard is to copy the link. All right, I'll come here. You can see the about us. I'll copy the link of the about us. Okay, then I'll come here. Okay, okay, good. So I'll copy the link of the about us and paste it here. So when they click on, okay, let me quickly change something here. The link is not showing very well, so I will need to do the settings. Okay, so come back to your dashboard. So come to your dashboard, come to settings, then come to permalinks. Right, come to permalinks. So you can see the way it's showing, it doesn't make sense. So make it a post name. Right, make it a post name. Then I'll click on it and save changes. All right, save changes. Good. So once I'm done with that, then I'll come back to my website and I refresh this page. Okay, good. You can see it's refreshing. All right, perfect, perfect. So I'll copy the link of the about us now. All right, copy the link of the about us. Then go back to, right, this is the about us. I'll copy the link. Okay, good. So come back to where I'm editing. Right, then I'll paste it here. Control A, Control V. Why is it showing this? Okay, wait, hold. So come back to the about. Let me save it again. Let me save. Okay, so let me resave again for the last time. All right, so that we can have the name of the page. All right, or better still, if it's not giving us what we want, we can come back to our, come to pages, click on all pages. All right, come to pages. Good. So this is about us. I'll right click on it and copy the link. All right, copy the link, come back here, then paste it here. All right, good. So that when they click on this more about us, it takes them straight to the about us page. Now come down to this other one. You can see this one that says choose room. So I'll also come to this part. All right, you can see room. All right, you can see room. Let me go to the next one. All right, so you see rooms. This is it, rooms. All right, so I'll copy the link. You can see that. I'll copy the link of rooms, copy the link, then come here. So if I click on this, one now, okay, this is okay, choose rooms. Can you see that? Choose rooms. All right, so I'll come here, paste the room. So when they click on choose room, it takes them straight to the accommodation. Then you can see this one that says start your amazing adventure. So I'll come back to my ChatGPT. All right, you can see it says from our cozy accommodation to our on-site dining option address. So I can copy this now. Okay, good. If I copy this, come back here again. So this is how to edit. Can you see that? So if I want to change these other ones, I can also edit that one a little. Or I can see that. So with this now, you can see that I'm done editing this session. Okay, I'll go down a bit. The same thing I'll do here. So I can come here now, instead of Kingsley is waiting for you, I can say Amigos. Amigos is waiting for you. Then I will come here, come to my ChatGPT. Alright, so I will also copy. Alright, you can see where it says at Amigos, our mission is to, okay, I can copy this now. Alright, copy this, then still come back here again. Okay, then I'll move this and I'll paste this. At Amigos Hotel, our mission is to make every guest feel valued and cared for. Alright, you can see that. So this is spa viewing, and if I want to edit this now, I'll click on it. Alright, good. So I'll click on, so if I click on this part, okay, this other part, so if you want to edit it, click on it. Any area you want to edit is very easy. Just make sure you click on it and you are good to go. Now this is the room. Alright, you cannot edit the room here. You must have done it via this other side I showed you before. Alright, you can see the room from the accommodation. If you come to accommodation, All right, you can see accommodation type. You must have done it there. All right, so once you go ahead again, check every other thing you need to edit step by step. All right, this is what around the hotel. So if you want to add content, you can as well add content. All right, so once you are done with this, now if you want to edit this one, oh sorry, okay. If you want to edit, let me edit this one too. Click on it. All right, you can see what it says around the hotel. All right, you can see item, you can see pagination and edit. So now if you come to the title around the hotel, you can put your content there. All right, come to ChatGPT. I'll also say at the heart of, I'll just copy this for the sake of this editing. Then I'll come here, paste it. Okay, you can see that ChatGPT is giving me content that I need. And you can see this one that says all services. All right, you can say all services. Good, this is the all services. So I'll come to my pages again. All right, you can see services. You can see services. I'll copy the link of these services, come to this other page, remove this one here. I remove this and paste my link so that when they click on all services, it takes them straight to this particular page. So once I'm done, I save changes. Then I'll go back again. I'll start editing another particular page. Now click on, you can see this now. Let's edit these services. I will click on edit to Elementor. All right, it's Elementor. So you can see that. So this is how to edit all the pages you have here. All the pages you have here, you must take your time and edit them one after the other. Now, if you are designing this particular website and you need a quality pictures, right? You need a quality pictures to have this website come out in a way you would like it. So you can go to a site like FreePic, right? FreePic. Better still, if you have the pictures of the project you are working on, or your client can give you the picture, good and fine. But in case they don't give you the pictures, you can go to this site, FreePic. All right, you can also come to this other site called Pixels, right? Pixels.com. You can also come to this other one called Unsplash, right? Unsplash.com. You can see the Unsplash.com, right? Unsplash.com. All right, you can get quality pictures from this site I'm showing you. All right, so that is how to get pictures for your project. Can you see this one is still loading? So once this comes up now, I'll also edit it the same way I edited the first one. All right, I'll go to my ChatGPT to get content to edit. Okay, so like I told you, it's very, very easy to edit all the content, all the pages you are seeing here. You go through them one after the other and make sure you edit it to suit your taste. Okay, now that I've showed you how to edit that, okay, so the last one I'll quickly show you is the blog. All right, the blog, which is the post side. In case you want to be making content on the website, you want to be dropping content, different content like this particular one, and you can see, let me show you. If you come down a bit, okay, you can also generate testimonials from ChatGPT too. Now you can see this one that says these are different blog posts. You can see this one. I say the ultimate guide to traveling when you, okay. Right, okay, this one is not complete. Say the best travel insurance companies for seniors. All right, now let's say you want to have content like this. You can do that your via your post. You can come to post, you come to all posts, right? Come to all posts. So you can see that the ultimate guide for traveling when you have no money. All right, you can see this one 10 easy steps to planning your next trip. All right, you can see this other one that says the best travel insurance company for seniors. You can see this other one, the ultimate guide for traveling when okay, good. Right, so you can want to, if I want to delete this now, I can trash this. Right, the moment I trash this, it will not appear again the website. Can you see this now? So let's refresh this. It will no longer be showing here. Right, it's no longer be showing there. So we'll now have another post coming there. So if you want to create a post, come back to your site. You can see where it says add new post. Right, add new post. So if I click on add new post now, right, I'll give my post a name. All right, I'll drop the content here, then select the category and make sure you always attach a picture. Right, attach a picture here. So that's how to create a post. Now, for example, I want to create a post. I can come here. I can say ChatGPT generate 10 blog posts, 10 blog posts, or 10 blog topics, sorry, 10 blog topics on Amigos Hotel. See that now? So generate 10 blog posts on an Amigos hotel. Can you see that now? All right, so you can see that. So it's giving me different content. Now let's say I've gotten the content I need now. I can come here. All right, I can come here and say this. I think this is the second one. Okay, good. I can come here now. Here is the title. I can copy this title. Then I'll come here. I'll say write. All right, good. I'll say write a blog post. All right, blog post on this. So once I do that, I'll come back to my page. So there is the title. I'll drop it there. Here is the art of hospitality. What sets Amigos Hotel apart? All right. Then remember, is a place. I can leave it there. Then now, once the content is ready, so you can see the content is coming out good. So I'll copy the content. So I can copy the content like this. Good. So I'll copy it now. Then I'll come back here. I'll drop it here. Can you see that? So I can remove all these ones there. Good. So you can see the content is ready. Right. Then I will come down to this part and make sure I attach a picture. Right. I can attach a picture. Come to my library and select one of the pictures. I can just use this. Okay, good. So I can use this now. Then I will come over to this part and publish. With this, I've created a post. Right. I've created a post. So now let me go to my my let me go to all posts. Right. I can see the post I just created. So let me select all and untick this. So let me delete every other post that is there. Move to trash, apply. Okay, good. So can you see this daily post there now? So I'll come back to this part and I'll refresh it. So the moment I refresh this now, you only see the post I created. Okay, so all right, so you can see that now this is the post I just made, the art of hospitality, what set Amigos Hotel apart, and you can see the post. Now let me quickly show you something. Another thing I will show you here is you can see the post is showing admin. All right, I don't want to be showing admin. I'll come here, I'll come to edit profile. Either I do it from here or I do it from here. I can come to users, and we'll come to all users, either of these two. So but I prefer using here because here is faster. I'll come to edit profile. All right, I'll come to edit profile. All right, I'll click on edit profile. So I can change it from admin to amigos. So I'll come to nickname. I'll remove this as a nickname. I'll just set it as amigo hotel. All right, then I'll come here, display name as amigo hotel, then come down here and update. All right, and update. So once I do this, okay, once I do this now and I refresh, you no longer be seeing this admin. Rather, you'll be seeing Amigos Hotel. All right, you can see it's loading. Just wait a bit. All right, just hold on a bit. So you can see it now. Okay, still showing this. So let's open or create a new post. It will no longer be showing that. All right, so that is how to change that particular one. So I think basically we are done with everything here. We are done with everything here. So what we're quickly going to look at is the last one. You can see it's showing my blog, my WordPress blog, my blog. So to fix this, right? To fix this, come to your dashboard. All right, come to your dashboard, come to settings again, then come to general. Come to general, then you can see it remove this one and fix your own name there. Remember, we are working with Amigos. I will say Amigos Hotel. Then the name we are using is what we are working with is this. Right, we look forward to welcoming you home, or right, where okay, I can use this where okay. All right, so I can use this where friendship are made. So I can copy this. All right, then come back here and drop it here. Okay, so this becomes our tagline. Here becomes our title. Okay, so this is how to create a hotel website for your clients and for your use for your project. Okay, I think with this we have come to the end of this particular training. Like I told you before, I said if you stay with me to the end of this video, I will show you how you can get access to this. And truly, For those of you that are interested in getting access to this template I use in this video, right, kindly reach out to us via the number showing in the description of this video, right? You should reach out to us and we're glad to assist you in that aspect. Also, if you're having any challenge, drop in the comment section and we're glad to help you fix it. Okay, thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. Hope to see you in our next video. Subscribe if you have not done so, and make sure you smash the notification bell to always be notified whenever videos like this are posted. Thank you and see you in our next video.